Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the V-Color 32GB ECC SO-DIMM DDR4 2666MHz. Designed specifically for microservers, workstations, and networking platforms, this memory module promises to elevate your system's performance to new heights. First off, let's talk specs. This kit boasts a total capacity of 32GB, with two 16GB modules included. Operating at a speedy 2666 MHz, it's perfect for handling multitasking, heavy workloads, and demanding applications. Plus, with ECC, error correction code, functionality, you can trust in the reliability and stability of your system, minimizing the risk of data corruption or crashes. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with Synology NAS 21 series, as well as various networking platforms and embedded systems. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a novice user, you'll appreciate the straightforward setup process. Quality is key when it comes to memory modules, and V-Color doesn't disappoint. Each module undergoes rigorous in-house testing and adheres to strict quality control standards. With top-notch DRAM chips and a 10-layer PCB design, you can trust in the durability and longevity of your investment. And with a limited lifetime warranty, you can rest easy knowing that your purchase is protected. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? In our testing, the V-Color ECC SO-DIMM DDR4 2666 MHz delivered impressive results across the board. From seamless multitasking to smooth data transfers, it effortlessly handled everything we threw at it. Whether you're running virtual machines, hosting a small business server, or editing multimedia projects, this memory kit is up to the task. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and high-performance memory upgrade for your NAS micro server or workstation, look no further than the V-Color 32GB ECC SO-DIMM DDR4 2666 MHz. With its stellar performance, rock-solid reliability, and hassle-free installation, it's a must-have addition to any system. So why wait? Upgrade your rig today and experience the difference for yourself. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.